Alright, I'm out here at the Firkin in the West End Park Lawn area. I will get the proper name, location, but I ordered their Firkin burger. Look at this. Comes with bacon, jack cheese, onion rings, comes with the fries. I ordered a side of gravy, side of mayo. They usually have their Firkin sauce, so I turned that down. But this looks amazing. I like that. I like the gravy. Tastes good. I already tasted it, and it's a pass. You know, I have a thing about gravy. I know my gravy. Take a bite. It's so good. Mmm. Take your bite. So good. 2 onions. So good. Yum, yum, yum. Now, so yeah, so there is sauteed onions and pickle, everything. Okay, that's how it looks inside. Mayo on it. Okay. It's moist. Yeah, it's good. It's good burger. Very good. Take your bite. Yeah, it's a Firkin burger, $19.95. Comes with fries. I really like this one. I haven't felt like this besides Shake Shack. I haven't felt like this here in Toronto in a while with a burger. But everything's falling out. I can probably wrap up this half a burger. This one would be fine because I'm not putting mayo on it. I can probably take it home and eat and warm it up later. See, it oozes out. Just take a big. Very good. Either that, or I'm very hungry, but no, it's very good. I'll need a nap after this. See, this is why I would like, have somebody here share the burger on something else, and it'll be perfect. Just enough. Very good. Sorry, I'm not sharing right now because I'm so hungry. Okay. Next time you're in this area, this is called Firkin on Bay in the West End bike path or whatever, Humber Arch Bridge. This section, I'm not quite sure what we are calling this section, but anyway, I will find out and add that. But Firkin is, they're all downtown Toronto as well. So any Firkin, I think they have to be consistent with their burger. And yeah, you gotta give them a try. Their Firkin burger, jack cheese and bacon burger. Delish. Okay, goodbye.